It's a big bird. I have never seen this bird before. Look like that. Oh, look at that. Huge bird. God. This is the big one. This is the big one. I have not seen this bird before. The biggest bird in the backyard. I don't know what kind it is, but this is a huge bird. Today is cold and there are a lot of birds around, a lot of red birds, but this is something different. I don't know what it is. Is that oval they call? I don't know. There it is. Look at the feathers. I can see so clearly. Wow. Got to find out what this bird is. Huge. Yeah. Wow, look at that. I cannot keep my eyes off this bird. And look at that. And I can see it from so close. And I think it's sitting there for a long time. Usually the birds fly away very quickly and it's about to fly. Let's see where it's going. But that it just fly. Oh, it just out here. There it is. Okay. Big bird. And his wings are also still sitting there. Oh, it's flying away. Oh, it's still sitting there. I'm trying to figure it out where. Oh, there's on top of that. Where is that? Trying to catch that. Still sitting there. Top of that. Okay, let's see. That's not where it is. Somewhere there. Let's see where it is. There it is. Now I found it. At the top of that. This is unreal. Huge, and it's sitting there. Never see a bird sitting there for a long time. What this bird is? Beautiful wing and feathers. Beautiful feathers. Yes. Usually the bird fly away, but this one is sitting there for a long time. At least he's looking for some victim or some kind of food, maybe. That's what he's looking for. There it is. With my zoom I can see it so closely. Let me leave it there. Come on, stay there.